I've laid out the second section. I might make a couple of changes, and I see right there I don't like those two really light ones side by side. Notice it's 5 down and 4 across. We're doing 9 by 9, so the first patch was 5 by 5. So to make it 9 across, I only need 4 this time, but still 5 down. So I'm going to pin those together. Notice I'll have 2 rows to sew together, and then I'll sew the seam down the middle. Anyway, we'll do that, and I'll be back. I have this section done. As you can see, it's a 5 by 4. Oh, but there's something else I need to do to this section. If you look over here, I have sashing here, and that matches that edge right there without sashing. But this edge is going to be the outside. So I need to cut sashing and put sashing here. And when I do that, I need to mark it carefully so that I don't stretch the outside edge. I will go along with the 9-inch. That would be 9 inches from here to here. And I will mark those on my sashing. 9 inches from here to here. Okay, that's 1 inch here. I've taken all of my seams there. And 8.5 inches, and I've taken my seams here. So I'll mark it every 9 inches, except the top, where I'll give it an extra 1/4 of an inch. And the bottom also. Anyway, let me do that, and I'll show you how it's done. I have my sashing here to go down the side. I have my sashing to go down the side, and as you can see, I have pinned it at 9 1/4, 9, 9, 9, all the way down. I'll take it and sew it on.